Customers are increasingly aware of the use of their data. More and more customers are aware of how critical those data are for the profitability of firms. And so, because we are seeing this on the rise, this notion of I'm the one who's supplying the data, your platform would not exist were it not for my posts. I'm actually the laborer here. We are seeing a shift in the nature of the relationship between customers and the firms and platforms. And moreover, we're seeing globally increased legislation around this in order to protect the customers and to rein in this asymmetric power imbalance. So it may not be something that customers are demanding in droves now, but any firm would do well to create systems and transparency where people who provide their data and their information feel respected, trust that it's not going to be exploited or used for nefarious purposes, and that there's a benevolence to this relationship. Because between the legislation and the change in customer sentiment, firms will be expected, right? Being responsible with data and with technology and AI is going to become not nice to have, it's going to be a need to have and a competitive advantage. I think that the firms that are leaders have been thinking about this for some time because they've been early adopters in AI, because they are visible and their customers are increasingly wondering, well, how are you using this? Is this being used ethically? But I do not think as many firms are considering this at the moment. They're focusing more on the sort of utilitarian aspects, right? Like, how can we use this? How can we profit from this? These conversations, though, about AI should not be afterthoughts. And the reason for that is harm, if it is done, cannot be undone. But also, once trust is destroyed, it's really difficult to earn it back.